Hello everyone! Today we will inform you regarding the 5 best electric scooters for adults, in addition to well-being tips for riding. The best electric scooters for adults give a fun and reasonable way for people to voyage around the neighborhood with companions. In case you're searching for something more versatile and progressed electric scooters for agilates, here are the remainder of our picks for the 5 best electric scooters. Above all else, assuming you are new on our channel, subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for observing such sort of supportive videos. Indeed, and remember to like the video. Underneath, certain items are accessible with links in the description of that video. Let's discuss on the 5th electric scooter. 5. Unagi Model 1F500. Unagi Model 1F500 took a little from column A and a little from column B when designing the Model 1. And, on top of that, it also included a little from column C, D and E along with basically the rest of the alphabet. In short, this is the best electric scooter on the market for adults. Thanks to its endless array of features and ease of use, this electric scooter comes in 4 different colors and is lightweight, easily foldable, and striking when on the move. Its aluminum and carbon fiber makeup helps you to glide along the road in a slim, portable fashion that works for both commuting and journeying for pleasure. Undoubtedly one of the most swish electric scooters on the market, Onagi is the tonic to many other clunky designs, combining the best that structural engineering and physics has to offer. It's the best all-rounder available. Features: Onagi leverages Toray carbon fiber from Japan to strike an unprecedented balance of lightweight and heavy-duty strength, both on our accelerator and brakes. We've built variability into our controls, so pushing down further increases their action. With a top speed of 20 mph and a max range of 15 miles, Onagi also offers the best torque in its class. Just a sleek, integrated command center that connects the rider to the ride. The incredible handlebar. Magnesium alloy 33% lighter than aluminum. Intuitive dashboard control. No visible wires. No bulky console. More functional LED headlight. Confident braking. Dual electronic anti-lock brakes. Intuitive friction brake for optional foot braking. Design tires. Solid 7.5 puncture-proof tires. Air pockets act as suspension system, optimized for responsive balance and road feel. Best battery. Custom designed energy management system. High energy density and low charging time 4.5 hour. Now the next 4th electric scooter. 4. Apollo Phantom. Apollo Phantom is the first electric scooter fully designed by Apollo's in-house team based on feedback from thousands of riders. Evolving their development process, Apollo set out to create the best overall riding experience. And the Phantom is a serious machine with a superior feature package. The best we've ever seen, including an amazing supersized display, rock-solid triple secure folding mechanism, and amazing lighting package, to name a few. The Phantom has so many signature features of a standout high-performance scooter that we're not exactly sure what to compare it to, as it's almost in a class of its own. The display and folding mechanism are next level. The comfortable cockpit and lights make it great for commuting, day or night. And its road-biting performance keeps it fun. Not to mention, it looks really good, too. The 52V Phantom is available with or without hydraulic brakes. A 60V model and a 60V Ludicrous variant will be available for shipping late summer 2021. And Apollo sent us the 52V and 60V Ludicrous, both with non-hydraulic brakes, for certified testing. The 52V Phantom, which is the focus of this review, has a higher top speed than the well-respected Cabo Mantis Pro and Inakamo XO, and has truly next-level ride quality. Features: in our performance tests with a 74 kg rider and the scooter set in its highest performance mode, the Phantom has a certified top speed of 63.0 km/h. The Phantom has great acceleration and isn't skipping with too crazy torque off the start line. The Phantom went from 0 to 24 km/h in 2.6s. and hits 56 km/h in 13.7s. Highlights: gorgeous unique design, standout lighting package, best overall ride ergonomics, next-gen display, flimsy kickstand, display could be brighter, no front turn signals, even the best 3rd electric scooter. 3. Segway Ninebot ES2. The all-new Ninebot kick scooter by Segway series is for you if you are looking for a smart and efficient way to travel. Effortlessly take the ES2 to speeds up to 25 km/h or use the convenient cruise control function. The front and rear wheel shock absorption provides maximum rider comfort. and the anti-lock mechanical and electrical brakes ensure a safe braking distance. Match the ES2's colorful ambient lights to your personal style and stand out along the way. Thanks to the Easy One push folding system, all of the Ninebot by Segway kick scooters can be folded in no time. And with a total weight of 12.5 kg, the kick scooter ES2 can be carried easily. During your ride, the energy recovery system makes sure no power goes to waste. We have taken great care of the smallest details so that your traveling comfort and safety can be guaranteed. Features: with a powerful motor of 300 W, the Segway ES2 kick scooter can reach to 15 mph, travel up to 15 miles, and accommodate a max load of 220 pounds. With a total weight of 27.6 pounds, 12.5 kg in the one-click folding system, the Segway ES2 kick scooter can be carried with one hand. Easy to fold and store it in a car or on public transport, making it a perfect travel companion. Front and rear wheel shock absorbers equipped with large solid tires provide maximum rider comfort. Easy to learn and powerful machine. The Ninebot kick scooter by Segway ES2 is built with high strength, lightweight aerospace-graded aluminum alloy. The one-click folding system allows the ES2 to be carried on public transportation, stored in your car, and more. The ES2 has motor power up to 700 W and can go up to 15 mph. Our smart battery management system closely monitors the battery cells to ensure the battery safety and to extend the battery life. Ninebot kick scooter by Segway ES2 has its own mobile app to manage rides at your fingertips at any time and anywhere to customize your experience. After that, the second best electric scooter, 2 Razer EcoSmart Metro. It's time to take electric scooting to the next level with a model that allows the option to sit down if you tire of standing for too long. The Razer EcoSmart Metro has an almost vintage style, with a comfortable seat and basket for easy transportation. Admittedly, there aren't many electric scooters with seats on the market, but this one easily jumps to the top of the list with its soft padded seat and wide bamboo deck. Fast and powerful, it has an almost silent motor and promises smooth handling from the start of your journey until you reach your final destination, effortlessly fusing the gap between an electric scooter and an electric bicycle. The Razer EcoSmart Metro electric scooter has a motor designed for longer distances, a design perfect for cozy journeys, and an appeal that's a winner for all. Features: sit and ride. Soft padded seat and wide bamboo deck make for plenty of footroom and a cushy, stylish ride. Smooth handling, air-filled 16 tires, 406 mm provide a smoother, safer ride on uneven terrain. Comfortable twist grip hand throttle and handbrake provide ease of control. Cargo carrier, tote your groceries, books, or bags with a handy detachable luggage rack and basket. Fast and powerful, a 500-watt, high-torque, chain-driven motor boasts an up to 18 mph, 29 km/h max speed with a range of up to 12 miles, 19 km and up to 40 minutes of continuous use. Safety and stability, rear-wheel drive shifts weight to the rear, enhancing both drive traction and ease of steering. Style, comfort, and smooth ride. The soft padded seat and wide bamboo deck for plenty of footroom make the ride on. EcoSmart Metro electric scooter both comfortable and stylish. EcoSmart Metro electric scooter has standard bicycle size 16, 406 mm pneumatic tube tires, which provide a smoother ride on rougher terrain. Speed and range. This 500-watt high-torque electric scooter with twist grip throttle can hit speeds up to 18 mph, 29 km/h, and travel up to 12 miles, 19 km on a single charge. Sturdy and stability. EcoSmart Metro electric scooter is built with a tubular steel frame for a solid ride. Rear-wheel drive shifts weight to the rear, enhancing both traction and ease of steering. And the last one, electric scooter. One Swagtron Swagger 5 Elite. Electric scooters don't have to come at a high cost, as proven by the success of the Swagtron Swagger 5 Elite. A scooter that's just as comfortable to ride as it is for your bank balance. This electric scooter comes with an upgraded motor from previous models. The Swagtron Swagger 5 Elite is your perfect commuting companion on a budget. A scooter that easily transports you down the road without a bump in sight. A single folding click means it's almost effortless to set this electric scooter up. And 3 speed modes means you're always well equipped no matter how late you're running for that meeting. This electric scooter will set you back at very low price. If you're looking to elevate your commute or get on board with tech for a contrast to walking, the Swagtron Swagger 5 Elite is a brilliant companion. Features: Larger 300W motor. We've added an upgraded motor to our flagship foldable e-scooter, giving riders power enough to swag up to 18 mph. Open size 41.5 x 17 x 45.3 inches. Folding size 41.5 x 17 x 19 inches. Enhanced battery for extended swag. Focus on the ride, not the charging. The fine-tuned 36V long-range battery can last up to 11 miles per charge. Fully charges in just 3.5 hours. Advanced airless honeycomb tires. Say bye to flat tires with our maintenance-free 8.5 honeycomb tires. Extra smooth, puncture-proof rides. Single ECL-like folding. Quickly fold down the Swagger 5 Boost with a foot-actuated folding mechanism. Perfect when you need to swag and go. Easy storage, easier portability. Perfect commuting companion. The Swagtron app, built-in speed indicator, LED headlights, and 3-speed modes round out the Swagger 5 Boost, making it a commuter's dream. Specification: 300W motor with 3-speed modes, 8.5-inch wheels, airless honeycomb tires, quick 3-step folding aircraft-grade aluminum frame, user-activated cruise control, 11-mile max, travel range, 18 mph max, speed only, rear disc brakes with auto guard, integrated LED display. Moreover, your commuting swag just got better with the app-enabled Swagger 5 Boost electric commuter scooter, fully updated and upgraded. Engineered with an upgraded 300W motor, efficient 37V battery, and improved quick folding mechanism, the Swagger 5 Boost is designed to make your commute even easier than ever before. The aluminum alloy frame was engineered for maximum resilience and is durable enough to support riders up to 320 lb. The 8.5 tires can handle the daily grind, thanks to maintenance-free honeycomb tires that will never go flat. Use the Swagtron app to track speed, check map routes via GPS, engage cruise control, and activate the ultra-bright LED headlight with the tap of a button. With 3-speed modes, the Swagger 5 Boost lets you find your optimal speed limits as you cruise around town. You can check the prices and other related details by using the links given in the description box. Other than these, you can check all of them for your own satisfaction. We hope you like this video, and this complete review guide will be helpful for you. Do not forget to like, share, and comment on this video. Also, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.